So today I am back and I will be doing a versus between the Hoover Power Scrub Elite and the Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet. And first I'm going to go over this side with the Hoover, and then I'm going to go over this side with the Bissell to see which one cleans better. So here we go. And it's in wash setting now. So here we go, and I've already pre-vacuumed, so okay, so there's that one. And now I'm going to go over this side with the Bissell. So there is the results. So I'm pretty sure the Bissell won, but I will see in the color of the water. So here's the Bissell's water, and here is the Hoover's water. Yeah, the Bissell won. And the carpet does look cleaner on the Bissell side than it does on the Hoover side. I don't know if you guys can see. I think you guys can see it. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.